Hey guys, News Now California, out in the city of Bakersfield. I'm out here tonight cop watching with News Now Ninja and Political Trans Tribune, who both came out from Texas to audit with us. I'm also out here with Nate Skates 182 in San Joaquin.
There by that pillar. Can you please step back over there by that pillar? Can you please step over there by that pillar? Same with you, sir. Can you please step over there by that pillar? Can you please step back over there by that pillar?
By that pillar, that's
that white pillar right there.
18 feet is plenty enough. Thank you, sir.
Can you please go step over there?
I conditionally accept your offer. I charge $50,000 to step too far away for you to impede my First Amendment protected activity. I'm good right here. I'm not going to get any closer. I'm not going to interfere when you're stopped.
So they're be given unlawful orders down there too.
Back to work.
That's not the law. If you step forward, you're going to be arrested. Okay, well, we'll see. Right here. Please step back over there by that pillar. We're conducting the investigation right now.
You're asking me to please.
If this isn't an investigation, tape it off, deputy. Tape it with the tape, and we'll honor the tape.
Please step over there.
You're asking.
Are you asking or giving a lawful order?
You're asking.
Go stand over there.
A lawful order, or are you asking?
Go stand over there.
Are you asking or giving a lawful order?
Don't wait your life.
I'm telling you to go over there.
Okay, you're not giving me a lawful order, I'm not going to do it.
Go over there.
Don't kick your dog.
Okay.
Do your job, guy. We're not here for any ill intent.
See, he said okay.
Go stand over there.
You can't even hold your hand steady. You want drugs?
Go. Speak to your manager. Speak to your manager.
See, he's talking to them and now about us, trying to get the people that are in cuffs to not like what we're doing. He was egging them on right now.
Where did you guys meet after?
Thinks I'm a dog.
What, he was nervous?
No trick. Just hit one like this. Why are you trying to read something?
Wow.
Big time shaking. I was like, whoa, bro. Okay.
That's what he was all nervous about this. Well, the other guy told us to step back or we'd be arrested. He told us to step back. I said, is that a lawful order or are you asking us? He says, step back. I said, well, is it a lawful order? If it's a lawful order, I will.
Hey, y'all got my gloves?
Why did you got the gloves?
Hey, if you guys want to continue filming, you go do it at that street corner. If you refuse, you'll be arrested.
At the street
Go over there by the light post right now. Go.
They told us to go this way.
I'm telling you now to go that way.
Well, why? This is confusing.
I don't care what's confusing because now it's very clear. You go that way.
They told us not to go past them, though.
Now go.
Are you the supervisor? Can I
Go
can I
to
please
that
speak
corner
to the
now.
supervisor?
We need your supervisor.
Why is that, though?
Here's the deal.
I'm afraid.
I'm going to
because
give
they told me
you
to go
one
this
more
way.
lawful order.
I don't want to walk past
I will
there.
tell you right now.
It is a
you are
lawful order.
obstructing our
Am I going to be arrested
investigation.
if I'm like standing here?
Yes.
We'll put up tape.
You either
Put up tape.
back that way or we could go there.
We're looking. This is safe.
Here it is.
man.
Here it is. Here's your last chance. You
Why are
either
you
go over
looking
there
at
by
me?
that sign or you go over there by the light
I'm
post.
walking away. You know what? You're threatening to arrest me.
Yep,
Okay.
I am.
All
So
right.
either go over there
And you're
or go over
impeding
there.
my First Amendment activity.
Last chance, buddy.
You're standing in between me and my subject.
Go
okay?
over there.
Okay,
Which
okay,
one?
your last
Which
chance.
one you want?
Okay?
Which one you want?
Are you saying going across to the other side of the
No,
street?
I want at that intersection at the corner,
Oh, where the
or
cop-
over there
where the
by
cop-
that sign.
Okay, I'm gonna go here.
Okay. He's gonna walk that across over there.
How far this way?
What's the law that you're backing? What's the law that you're talking about?
That guy set up with the camera?
What's the law? What's the law? Look,
That's what they're doing, dude.
Well, look, I'm gonna go over here
Go.
as close as possible.
Go. Go now. Go. Go.
Go back by that car, you're gonna be arrested. Go back by that car, you're gonna be arrested.
This car?
That car over there where the guy has the tripod.
I'm gonna go stay with my friends.
Okay, you can go over there, don't come back this way.
Hey, good luck to you, people.
Hey, we all right, bro. They treat us well.
Good, good, good. Yeah, good, good. We're not out here. We're just showing. We want to show transparency. We're not anti-cop, you know. And I understand they got a job to do, but they're excessive with it now. You know, we're not trying to hinder their investigation. We're out here just to see everything's good, and you guys are good. So have a good night.
Are you daddy? Are you daddy? Big boss daddy? You the man? Are you man with a plan on steroids? Oh, you feel good? Yeah. Look at like fucking Johnny.
Hey, I changed my mind and decided to come this way.
You guys cross over here again. I'm
Hey, yeah. Nobody
Come
cares.
over there again.
To where?
Shut
The
up.
sign?
Get out of here. Shut up. Move on, coward. Johnny Bravo.
You're on drugs, fucker.
You got fucking steroids. Coward.
See how he smiled when he put on his gloves? He wanted to fight.
Oh, I'm a tough guy. Come on, let's go around the other side.
Hold on.
That guy was nuts.
Sign them. I don't see a screen in between now. No screen.
Nazis.
Well, this battle's not over.
Boy, he was all excited about putting them on. He wanted.
I'm going live on these motherfuckers.
He wanted to bust heads, dude.
I'm going live.
Hey, hit that like button, y'all. Yeah, I'm not
Where's your supervisor?
about going to jail.
I'm requesting your supervisor now.
So, because of my circumstances.
Call your supervisor now.
Nobody's gonna do shit.
Leg up on that battle.
Call your supervisor now.
They don't care.
They
They don't care.
Piece of a bitch backing us up here. We're still not past the sun. Let's see that by advance one.
Call your supervisor now.
You guys are dirty.
Call the sheriff.
Hey, don't sleep with each other's wives.
Yeah.
He's recording us, dude. This guy's recording us. So the cop just loosened up his cuffs. The cop just loosened up his cuffs because he gave him the permission to search the car. Look, 2 canine units.
Oh, the dudes in the white truck are bootlickers. Hey, the guys in the white truck are bootlickers.
Yeah, they're with me.
Yeah, he was filming us, dude, the guy in the white truck.
Yeah.
So now we have people not filming the audio. And so
They're being very aggressive. They all have gloves on, surrounding us.
that's not what
Very, very hostile.
Whoever's
Our rights are being assaulted by being forced back this far back. We can't even hear what's going on.
Yeah, they've made us come back this far because they don't want the audio on. They say it's officer safety. This is a good 80 feet. So it's not officer safety, it's they don't want audio being heard. That's their go-to. And over here, everybody, over here, these are the bootlickers. Right here. Here's the bootlickers right over here in the white truck. There he is right there in that truck. That's the bootlicker.
They work for the police. They're real media is what they said. Can't wait to show you all that video.
Yeah, he just shouted out his fucking page all over my shit. And my shit don't fuck around. My people will let you know.
Yeah, you're gonna find out.
What you do is wrong, bro.
You'll find out, bro.
I didn't come at you sideways. You came at me sideways. I let you know the truth. Fucking don't matter. I spoon fed you the fucking truth. You try to feed me some propaganda bullshit.
Supervisor, I don't see no stripes supervisor on it. It's a bunch of fucking deputies, dude.
No, man, that guy was all like smiling. I'm gonna give you one more chance, second chance.
If I get close to the car, huh? Come on, hey, it's just cops now. It's just cops. It's just cops. Hey, can I have a supervisor now or what? What? They were notified. Yeah, where are they? I don't know.
Yeah, get your badge number, man. It's 1344. Thank you. Same one as
Badge number? Yeah, where's your sergeant? Where's someone at? I need a, hello?
He's the bitch, the canine.
Hey, Howard. I need you to call. What, are you afraid you're gonna lock your door? Sir, you were big and tough a second ago.
Let's see.
Sir! Check these guys out.
These guys, I don't think are with us.
Yeah, the bootlickers.
They're bootlickers. They're bootlickers.
Beautiful man.
I talked to him tonight. They're bootlickers. Sure, why not, bro?
I'm a civil rights auditor. I'm not a First Amendment auditor.
I bet you I
I'm
can
an
blow
all
your
rights
mind.
auditor.
I bet you I can blow your mind with a little bit. Check this out. Give me a minute. Let me enlighten you guys on what I do and why we do it. Check this out. There's a lot of shit going on, right? Between the police and the public. There's a lot of disconnect, right? Obviously, I didn't create that problem, right? I'm trying to find a solution just like you and a lot of other people, right? What is the solution? Is it to keep screaming and yelling the obvious problem that we know exists, right? The problem exists. What is that solution? Police have these things that keep them in power, so even if an officer is racist or even narcissist, it's still bad behavior. And when they're able to continue to behave badly because of things like qualified immunity and judges and district attorneys that ultimately end up throwing these people away, we're talking about not the bad guys, right? We're talking about policy, we're talking about cops enforcing policy and stuff like that. They have qualified immunity when they make mistakes. They're not held personally liable. They have police unions that help them get jobs in other areas when they make mistakes. Internal investigations. That's like telling me my son did something wrong. He punched the neighbor's kid.
But wait up, I'm gonna go inside and we're gonna discuss this within the family. And we come back to the door and say, I'm sorry, guys. We find that my son did nothing wrong. We apologize for your guys' inconvenience. You go on about your day now. There's things that keep police behaving the way they do, and it's hurting society. We understand that there's people that's bad people and everything, right? That's what the cops are to hold us accountable. Man, our own families and people hold us accountable, but who holds them accountable? And when is it gonna happen? I'm telling you something, these guys right here, this guy and this guy, just came down a couple days ago to record with me from Texas. This guy comes all the time. He has a pretty big channel too. He came down from Los Angeles to record with me as well. Wow. A lot of people from sea to shining sea are picking up cameras and recording police, cop watch, First Amendment audits. Yeah. We understand that not everybody's perfect. We make mistakes too. And the problem is as long as we don't do anything illegal, and when we do things illegal, we get held accountable, especially when we're on camera, right? These officers in Bakersfield, they did me one dirty. An officer started cussing me out, and we had words. And then they go and they go and try to trump up a charge on me. They call the guy after the fact. When are they watching my channel? On duty or off duty? Are cops able to spend tax dollars to watch their favorite YouTube channel?
These officers assaulted this man here tonight, and everybody has it on camera. And when we asked him who's going to take the complaint on this officer that just assaulted this civilian, not another officer there would help or take it. Nobody would do work. So the officers that don't take it are just as bad as the officer that assault in my mind. Because if they don't stand up to the bad officer, then it makes them a target in the future. So that's really what it comes down to, is we need good officers to do good work.
What are you guys on? What can we find you guys on?
We're on Bakersfield Street Media.
Bakersfield Street Media. Are you guys on Facebook, YouTube?
Facebook?
Yeah.
Facebook?
Yeah, we got a TC right now. We're going to run to
What we do is we go to like traffic collisions, and we go to like anything that's going on in town, shootings, stuff like that, and we let the community know what's going on. And
nice.
We just do it as active news.
Yeah,
right.
Live streaming news, yeah.
Well, I appreciate you guys, man, and thank you for lending me your ears and giving me the moment to talk. And hopefully, look, I make mistakes too in my videos, and now there's videos that I have that I'm not.
Do a bunch of driving and stuff, so much love, everybody. I'll go through these comments real quick and check them out. Thank you, Kenneth. Hey, yeah. Super real press looking guys, huh? Thank you. Thank you, Jimmy John. Bakersfield bootlickers. That's epic. Karen, everybody that's in the thing. Photo Free America, Jimmy John, Kenneth, Ivan, Karen, Mr. Al. Everybody that's in here, man. I don't even have no notifications. I haven't had notifications for 2 live streams, and y'all are still coming in here and watching. So much love to y'all. I'm not much love, world.
Nobody gets notifications, dude. It's terrible. People don't, you're not getting them about stuff. I don't get them. From channels.